Today I'm going to share my review of the Despara Kit Parasite Cleanse, a supplement that's been gaining attention on social media. While it's heavily promoted as a way to detox the body and remove parasites, medical and nutritional experts are raising serious concerns about its safety and effectiveness. Let's start with the medical warnings. There is no scientific evidence that the Despara kit or similar parasite cleanses actually remove parasites from the human body. Any improvements users report, such as reduced bloating or more energy, are often the result of lifestyle changes like eating a cleaner diet, not the supplement itself. Another major red flag is that these products are not regulated by the FDA, which means their safety and ingredients are not reviewed before being sold. Experts warn that this can lead to harmful side effects, including dehydration, gut microbiome disruption, kidney issues, and even supplement-induced liver damage. One of the biggest dangers is delaying proper medical treatment. If you actually have a parasitic infection, relying on an unproven cleanse instead of seeing a doctor can allow the infection to worsen. Real treatment requires a medical diagnosis and prescription medication tailored to the exact parasite. There's also a huge disconnect between the claims and reality. Many people who think they've passed worms during a cleanse are often just seeing undigested vegetable fibers, not parasites. In fact, true parasitic infections are relatively rare in developed countries. While some users and influencers on Instagram or Trustpilot claim benefits from the Despara kit, experts say these results are more about diet changes than the supplement itself. In conclusion, the Grow Tree Despara kit is not backed by science and comes with potential risks. If you suspect a parasitic infection, the safest choice is to see a doctor for proper testing and treatment. Thank you for watching.